Welcome to You Talk AI. In recent years, artificial intelligence, AI, has been making waves across industries, but one of its most significant contributions has been in helping authorities catch fraudsters. In just 1 year, AI assisted federal agencies in uncovering $1 billion worth of fraud, showing the immense potential this technology has in protecting public funds and maintaining financial integrity. The growing problem of fraud. Financial fraud has always been a serious issue, but in today's digital world, it's growing at an alarming rate. Fraudsters have become more sophisticated, leveraging the internet and various digital tools to steal identities, forge documents, and commit fraud on a massive scale. From credit card fraud, tax evasion, healthcare fraud, to government relief fund scams, these crimes cost governments and taxpayers billions of dollars each year. Traditionally, fraud detection relied heavily on manual audits and investigations. While these methods are still essential, they are time-consuming and often come too late to prevent significant losses. This is where AI steps in, offering a faster, more efficient way to detect and prevent fraud. How AI detects fraud. AI is revolutionizing fraud detection by automating processes and analyzing massive data sets that would be impossible for human investigators to process in real time. AI works by recognizing patterns that deviate from normal behavior. These deviations, also known as anomalies, can indicate fraud. For example, AI can sift through thousands of financial transactions in real time and flag suspicious activities such as unusual spending patterns, duplicate claims, or strange geographical usage of credit cards. The algorithms can detect patterns that might go unnoticed by humans, such as transactions occurring from two different locations at the same time, or abnormally large payments that don't fit the typical behavior of the account owner. The key is that AI learns. These systems are constantly analyzing data and refining their fraud detection methods by recognizing new tactics used by fraudsters. Over time, this enables AI to get better and more accurate at predicting and catching fraud before it escalates. AI's role in recovering $1 billion in fraud. In the past year, federal agencies in the United States, such as the IRS, FBI, and Department of Justice, utilized AI to detect a staggering $1 billion in fraudulent activity. One of the largest areas where AI proved instrumental was in identifying fraud related to government relief programs like the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, during the pandemic. The PPP was designed to help small businesses stay afloat during the COVID-19 pandemic, but unfortunately, it became a target for fraud. People applied for loans using fake businesses, stolen identities, or inflated payrolls to collect funds they weren't entitled to. AI was able to sift through the immense volume of PPP loan applications. Real-world success stories. One real-world example of AI catching fraud involved a large-scale unemployment benefit scam. During the pandemic, there was a sharp increase in fraudulent unemployment claims as people used stolen identities to claim benefits. AI systems in states like California quickly identified patterns of fraudulent claims, preventing millions of dollars from being paid out to fraudsters. Another notable case involved credit card fraud. Banks such as JP Chase have implemented AI-driven fraud detection systems that can identify fraudulent purchases within seconds. Instead of waiting for manual reviews or relying on the cardholder to notice suspicious activity, AI can flag a transaction as suspicious almost immediately, reducing losses for both the bank and the customer. Why AI is the future of fraud detection. Looking ahead, it's clear that AI is going to play an even bigger role in fighting fraud. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data, detect complex fraud patterns, and operate in real time makes it an essential tool for law enforcement, government agencies, and financial institutions. As fraud becomes more sophisticated, AI's adaptive learning capabilities will be critical in staying one step ahead of criminals. AI systems are constantly learning from new data and adjusting to the ever-evolving tactics used by fraudsters. This makes AI not just a tool for catching fraud, but also for predicting and preventing it before it happens. Of course, as AI becomes more integral to fraud detection, artificial intelligence has already proven to be a game-changer in the fight against fraud. With AI catching $1 billion of fraud in just 1 year, it's clear that this technology is becoming a vital tool for law enforcement and financial institutions. As AI continues to evolve, its role in detecting and preventing fraud will only grow. making it harder for criminals to exploit weaknesses in financial systems. That's all for now. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know what you think. More to come? See you next time.